In this video we are going to create a simple single opt-in funnel like this one. This is how it looks like. So let's get started. I'm going to use my unlimited lifetime license for Influencersoft. Now please click on Funnels, create new funnel. Here is the visual funnel builder and we need to click on the opt-in component. In Europe, you would use the double opt-in, so this is not GDPR conform, but it might be a good solution in other countries, or if you want to sign up one of your existing members to some other content. After they have signed up, you want to show them a content page. So let's add the content page. You can move all these items around as you need. Now let's click on opt-in and on the little icon here, this is a pencil. Now please select actions. Now we need to add a group. I will call this one simple single opt-in funnel. Click on the plus sign. Now the group was created and activated. So let's close that. Here is a little icon showing a lead is added. Now let's drag an arrow from that icon to the content page. You can move the page to wherever you want and the arrow will adjust. So far so good. Now let's select the opt-in component. Click on the pencil icon and select the Create Page button. We can pick from the templates library one of the opt-in forms here. I will take the first one. Click on Create. Here we are. For now I will leave the design as it is. Click on Save Page and on the little red door to exit. Yes, I'm sure I want to exit. And this is the link for the page. Let's repeat the whole thing with the content component. Click on Create Page. I will use this free course template. Click on View. And on Create, here is the course page. Now let's click on Save Page and click on the little red door here to leave the page. Yes, we want to exit. Now let's close that. Turn on the funnel, mark the opt-in component and click on the little eyeball here. And that will take you to your page. Here we are. I will use a test name and my real email address and click on Get It Now. And here we are. It took us to the course page. The video is already working. Of course, you can now adjust all the design components and do a lot of other cool stuff. But for now you have learned how to create a simple single opt-in funnel and you have done it in less than 5 minutes.